Hi everyone, I am in my messy office getting some work done. All the kids are at school except for Layla, and she's taking a nap. So I am getting a Vlogmas vlog edited, and hopefully it will be up soon. The internet situation has been better. I'm so grateful. That was really stressful. Oh. Sometimes I forget that I wear contacts and I rub my eyes, and then they like, you know, fold and stuff. Does anyone else do that? Not smart. Anyways, I'm just getting a vlog edited and hopefully up soon. I just ran lunch to Braylee because they didn't have any gluten-free options. So, and she forgot to pack a lunch, so I just got back from doing that. Anyways, I am going to get this done, and then I'm hoping to get my eyes cleaned up a little bit and then wrap some Christmas presents. Can you guys believe how soon Christmas is going to be here? I don't feel ready at all. And tonight we need to put the Christmas tree up here upstairs. It's like the cutest Christmas tree. I've been so excited since last year to put it up because I got a few more ornaments for it, because we do a candy theme and all of those ornaments were on sale. So I can't wait to get it decorated. It's just been like something that's been easy to put off, but we're gonna do it tonight. And then since Winston has been doing so good, since we started and told him that he had to sleep in a bed by himself, he has slept in the bed by himself every single night. I'm sure that you guys have heard me call it a big boy bed. I realize that it's really Layla's big girl bed, but we're gonna call it a big boy bed. So he's been sleeping in his big boy bed. So we told him that we would have a movie night and watch Black Panther. For some reason, he's really obsessed with Black Panther right now. I mean, it is a really cool show, but it has been the hugest motivator in him sleeping in a big boy bed. So we're gonna pop some popcorn, watch Black Panther tonight, and I'm gonna try to get the Christmas tree put up, and then we can all decorate it after we watch the movie. What a fun night, right? Okay, well, I'm gonna get my work done so that this is all done. Don't have to worry about it. We can just have a fun night tonight. Something that I love about vlogs, and especially Vlogmas because I'm doing it every day, is just noticing little things that I would have totally forgotten about that happened. And it always just makes me smile and giggle. Also, my kids say the funniest things that I sometimes miss. I feel so bad about that, but there's usually so much going on at the same time that I miss funny little comments that they make, and then I get to catch them while I'm editing. I just love it. If you guys are thinking about vlogging or starting a channel for whatever reason, I recommend doing it. These memories are priceless. Look who woke up. She's gonna hang out with me up here. I had big plans for this year. Didn't happen. So Layla wants to fill up the little drawers, or I don't know, little boxes with buttons. Hopefully that will keep her busy for a little while. I'm almost done editing. These are from our button jars. Does anyone remember our chore button jars? That was really fun for the kids. We should do that again. Oh, what's inside, Layla? Oh, ooh. Oh, oh, shooty. Here you go. You get one? How about this? I'll open all of the boxes and then you can put the buttons inside and then you can shut it. Does that sound good? Good. That's fun. Layla's really good. She's never really put things like this in her mouth, so thank goodness. I'll keep a close eye on her so that that doesn't happen, but she's been pretty good not to do that. Good girl. Yeah. Alright, video is up. Yeah, we just put stuff on it. I've been doing so many things, and now the video is finally up. And now I'm gonna run the girls to a cheer. I feel like I'm always running to cheer, especially since we started doing Vlogmas, like right in this vlog. I'm picking the girls up from cheer. It makes me feel like I pick the girls up from cheer non-stop. They only have it 2 days a week though, so that's not really true. Anyways, we're gonna take them. They have a performance tomorrow, which is exciting, and then their first competition of the year is this weekend. Are you ready? Yeah. Yeah? Should we take the girls? Yeah? Who's on your socks? Who's on your socks? Who is it?
Me.
Minnie, yeah. Minnie on the sockies. Cute. Oh, you got a treat?
Yeah.
Are you saving that for later? Pretty sure she's been holding that for a little while now. She has a couple little gummy treats in here. Okay, let's go. Having some dinner. Just started Black Panther.
Day Ow!
Oh, wow. You have to shave your legs. Dang. Worst day ever. For your performance tomorrow. Yeah. It's okay, Bray. Gager's hair update. It's a little pinkish, but it's fine. You do? I think we'll try to bleach it out one more time.
I might just leave it.
That's the color I want.
You might just leave it? Well, you can leave it.
All my hair like that.
You do?
This is a new
I like him better. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Oh, hi, Layla. Your Black Panther. Whoa. Whose turn? For socks. Can you reach it?
I think it's his actually.
Hold on, I'll undo it. Layla wanted to play with these today. What if they were? I mean, they're pretty tiny. Let me see this for a second.
I saw a W on it.
It's a W. Okay. You're safe. Well, that doesn't mean anything, huh?
Yeah. I was literally like counting down the days till it was my day, and then I opened them and I was like,
Gagers.
I got his nose.
You got his what?
Nose.
You got his clothes. You got Wreck-It Ralph's clothes? Very cool. Put them on. Let's see them on. Okay, 1 second.
It's snowing.
Did you say it's snowing?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah. Oh, it's his overalls.
Yep, Wreck-It Ralph's overalls. Woo! Coolie cool. Are those some dance moves over here?
no, it's my turn. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Layla will try to do it.
And then you go. And then you go.
You did what?
You do a backflip and then you land like this.
And you hurt your ribs.
I broke my ribs.
Worth it. Great dancing, guys. Look, Layla's copying you. She was doing her hair. Oh, good job flossing. Can you floss, Layla? Wow. Ooh, good job. Layla found my hot tamales. And I just got out of the tub and this is what happened. Let me see you, Layla. Layla, look at mommy. Oh my goodness. No. No.
Soft.
You want to get in the hot tub? I see Daddy and Winston. The older kids had to go to bed because they have school tomorrow. The babies don't have school and it's snowing. So the babies are going to get in the hot tub with Dad.
What are you doing, little lady?
Okay, go see Dad.
Come on. Come on.
How is it?
Is it warm? Look, it's snowing.
So awesome.
It's snow face.
Yeah, that's the best time to be in the hot tub, huh? Yeah.
No, that's what.
What?
Water melts snow.
You're right, especially that hot water, huh? Does it feel nice in there?
Yes.
Turn on
Yeah.
the jets, dude.
What, this?
Yep.
All right. We hope you all had a good day.
Sit over here. Watch. Make you float. Is that the volcano?